Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your very first time hearing this voice, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave your comment. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm back with another amazing video. Today we're preparing viazi karai and we have our ingredients here. So first, start by boiling your potatoes, but boil them when they're still unpeeled. Then you can unpeel them. Then after that, cut them into small pieces. So I used that orange thing, the lower part, to cut my potatoes. And after that, we start mixing our flour. So I used the green gram flour, but you can also use the wheat flour, but I preferred the green gram flour. So in my green gram flour, I added salt, I added baking powder, and I added onions. So in this mixture, I made the mixture a bit lighter. And also don't forget giving this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And this is how your mixture should be. So cover it for about 20 minutes, then you can start cooking. While deep frying, you first dip your potatoes into the mixture, then you can dip them into the frying pan. And also don't forget to make them a bit crunchy. And our viazi karais are ready. So thank you for your time. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please do so. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please do so. And that's my time for today. So till next time, bye.